As the world rides the AI revolution, India is stepping up to shape its future. In New Delhi, global leaders, policymakers, tech giants, and young innovators gathered to decode what's next for artificial intelligence. From responsible AI and digital infrastructure to startups and skilling, the summit spotlighted India's bold vision, innovative, inclusive, and ready to lead the global tech game.
Artificial intelligence is no longer just about the future, it is already part of our daily lives. From industry and education to healthcare and research, AI is transforming the world, and India is ready to lead this change. The recently held AI India Summit 2026 in New Delhi brought together global leaders, policy makers, tech experts, and innovators to shape a responsible and inclusive AI roadmap. The focus was on ethical AI, stronger digital infrastructure, startup innovation, youth skilling, and positioning India as a global tech powerhouse. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the summit, highlighting India's strong ambition to play a leading role in the global AI revolution.
एआई के बारे में देश भर में जानकारी मिले और विशेषकर हमारे किसानों को, एमएसएमईज को, हमारे ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों में रहने वाले नागरिकों को, इसके लिए भारत ने जो सॉवरेन मॉडल्स में काम किया है, इसमें बहुत बड़ा फोकस रखा है मल्टीलिंगुअल मॉडल्स पे। भारत की जो भाषाएं हैं और विशेषकर जो बोलियां हैं, उन बोलियों में भी बहुत अच्छे से एआई का प्रसारण हो सके, एआई के बारे में जानकारी मिल सके और एआई का उपयोग करके उन बोलियों में भी सॉल्यूशंस क्रिएट किए जा सके। वो एक बहुत बड़ा फोकस रखा है एआई मिशन का।
Indian startups and top global tech companies turned the AI Summit into a live tech playground, showcasing how artificial intelligence is transforming everyday life. From AI-powered health diagnostics and smart farming solutions to generative AI tools and next-gen cybersecurity systems, innovators presented real-world tech that makes life faster, smarter, and more connected. The summit highlighted India's booming startup ecosystem, strong digital public infrastructure, and a new generation of skilled tech talent, positioning the country as a rising global hub for AI innovation and collaboration in the digital age.
सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि एआई जो है वो यहाँ पे रहने वाला है और आगे बढ़ने वाला है, इसलिए सबको जरूरत है कि वो एआई के साथ मिलकर कैसे काम को कर सकते हैं और अपनी क्षमता बढ़ा सकते हैं, उसके ऊपर फोकस करना चाहिए और उसी को लेकर अपने को रिस्किल करके आगे बढ़ना चाहिए।
With over 20 heads of state, including French President Emmanuel Macron and President of Brazil Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva, along with 60 ministers and 500 global AI leaders, the AI Impact Summit 2026 transformed New Delhi into the world's AI capital. Global leaders explored collaborations with India through joint research, startup investments, technology transfer, and the co-development of AI infrastructure. Partnerships in skilling, data governance, and public-private innovation unlocked significant global capital, accelerating India's emergence as a next-generation AI hub.
In a few moments, an AI-generated work will be projected into the gateway of India as part of a production by the Grand Palais Immersif, a leading French institution in digital content and innovative immersive experiences. And this is just one of the many examples of AI's potential, a potential that France and India are determined to explore, but not without safeguards, not without carefully considering its consequences, to respect artists, to respect our children and teenagers, and to protect our democracies.
India expects to attract more than $200 billion in investments in artificial intelligence over the next 2 years, reflecting strong global confidence in its fast-growing digital economy. These investments are likely to flow into AI research and development, data centers, semiconductor manufacturing, startups, and advanced digital infrastructure. With a vast talent pool, expanding digital public infrastructure, and strong government push, India is positioning itself as a major global hub for AI innovation and long-term technology growth.